Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today, we're learning the word
kaum,
Hi Alex.
Kaum.
What does that mean?
kaum,
translates to hardly or barely in English. It's often used to indicate something that's very minimal or almost not happening at all. The most common usage is in situations where you want to express that something is not enough.
Interesting. Are there any false friends I should watch out for?
Yes, definitely. It can sometimes be confused with the English word kaum, but they mean very different things. Just remember,
kaum,
has that sense of scarcity?
Got it. How do you use
Kaum.
in a sentence?
In German, you might say,
ich habe kaum geschlafen.
which means I hardly slept. It's a great example of how it expresses something minimal.
So, is
Kaum.
a verb or a noun?
Actually,
Kaum,
is an adverb, so it modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. It doesn't change form, but it helps to describe the extent of an action.
That makes sense. Can you give me more examples of how
Kaum.
is used?
Sure. You could say,
es gibt kaum Zeit.
which means there is hardly any time. Or,
Ich kann kaum glauben, dass es wahr ist.
meaning I can hardly believe it's true.
Those are useful. Are there any different forms or tenses for
Kaum.
Since it's an adverb, it doesn't have different tenses like verbs do. It stays the same regardless of the situation.
What's the origin of the word?
Kaum.
Kaum,
Comes from Old High German,
km,
which has roots in the meaning of hardly or difficult. It's evolved over time but has kept that core meaning.
That's really interesting. I love learning about word origins.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, let's break it down a bit. We can think of
kaum,
as a single piece, but if we consider its roots, we can see that it's connected to ideas of difficulty and scarcity.
That makes it easier to remember. Are there similar words I should know?
Yes. Here are a few. First, there's
kaum,
itself. Then, words like
gering,
meaning slight,
wenig,
which means few, and
schwach,
meaning weak.
Are those all adverbs too?
Not all of them. For example,
wenig,
can be an adjective. You can also think of
fast,
meaning almost and
selten,
meaning rarely. They all express minimality in some form.
I see how they are related. Can you give me some situations where I might use?
kaum,
Absolutely. First, at work you might say,
ich habe kaum Zeit für dieses Projekt.
meaning I hardly have time for this project.
Let me try.
ich habe kaum Zeit für die Arbeit.
Perfect. Now, at the doctor's office, you could say,
Ich habe kaum Beschwerden.
which means I have hardly any complaints.
Ich habe kaum Schmerzen.
Sounds good too, right?
Exactly. Finally, while traveling, you might say,
Ich habe kaum Geld.
meaning I have hardly any money.
I can say,
Ich habe kaum Geld für die Reise.
Well done, Sam. Now, let's think about the gender of.
Kaum,
Since it's an adverb, it doesn't have gender. But if we think of nouns related to scarcity, like,
Mangel,
which means lack, it's masculine.
oh, so I don't need to worry about gender for.
Kaum,
Right. Just remember that it's an adverb and doesn't change.
Are there any common phrases or collocations with?
kaum,
Yes. You often hear phrases like,
kaum zu glauben,
meaning hardly to believe,
kaum jemand,
which means hardly anyone, and
kaum noch.
meaning hardly anymore.
Those are really useful. Are there other similar words I might confuse with?
kaum,
Yes, watch out for.
Kaum,
And,
fast,
since both can express minimality, but
fast,
translates to almost while,
kaum,
is more about scarcity.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Can you give me a few more example sentences with?
kaum,
Of course. Here are some.
ich habe kaum Zeit für das Essen.
Means I hardly have time for food.
Wir haben kaum Platz im Auto.
Translates to we hardly have space in the car.
I like that one. What about another?
Sure.
Konnte kaum sprechen.
Means he could hardly speak. And remember, it can be used in questions too.
Hast du kaum gegessen?
Meaning did you hardly eat?
I feel like I'm getting the hang of this.
That's great to hear. Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Kaum,
mean?
It means hardly or barely.
Good. Can you give me an example sentence with it?
ich habe kaum Zeit.
Perfect. What's the difference between
kaum,
and?
fast,
Kaum,
Means hardly, and
fast.
means almost.
Right. How would you say I have hardly any money?
Ich habe kaum Geld.
Excellent. And where does the word
kaum,
come from?
It comes from Old High German.
KM.
Fantastic, Sam. Today we learned about
kaum,
its meanings, usage, and some similar words. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
Thank you, Alex. This was really helpful and fun.